Welcome to the How to Evaluate the Testing the Test Tool TTT Results demo. In this demo, you will learn how to use the data created by this tool. A statistical analysis is used to help identify problematic test questions or questions that don't have a clear correct response choice. This program is not intended to be all-encompassing, but is a good starting place for item analysis of a test. First, assuming that you have run the program, make sure that you are on the Item Analysis tab. On this tab, you will see the results for your test, including the point by serial, p-value, and the KR value. The summary that you want to create in your test will include a KR value of above 0.85 and a point by serial above 0.25. The rest of this video is going to explain why. According to Seema Varma, PhD, Educational Data Systems Inc., preliminary item statistics using point by serial correlation and p-values. The point by serial correlation is the correlation between the right-wrong scores that students receive on a given item and the total scores that the students receive on the test. It ranges from -1 to 1. A large positive point by serial value indicates that students with high scores on the overall test are also getting the item right, and those with low scores are getting the item wrong. This would be expected. A low value implies that students who get the item correct do poorly on the test, and that students who get the item wrong will do well on the test. This is not what we want in a test. Test questions with low point by serials need to be re-examined. A good point by serial level is above 0.25. Questions with point by serials that are below 0.10 should be checked for a possible incorrect answer key. The p-value gives the proportion of students who answered the question correctly. It can be used to assess problem difficulty. If an item has a high p-value and a low point by serial, the item should be reviewed for content and wording, as many students are getting it right, but not necessarily the students who would score well on the test. Conversely, a low p-value and a high point by serial means that the item is difficult, but that the higher scoring students are getting the problem correct. KR value information here. According to Jan Patak, May 2004, Arizona State University, University Testing Services, Exam Scores, How to Interpret Your Statistical Analysis Reports. The KR statistic measures test reliability of inter-item consistency. A higher value indicates a strong relationship between items on the test. A lower value indicates a weaker relationship between test items. Values range from 0 to 1. The better tests are within the 0.80 to 0.85 range. The references to the statistics data used is found on the TTT Excel spreadsheet, Sheet 1, by scrolling down. You now have the information to interpret the testing the test data.